Hi friends, this is Fiona from Fiona Accessories. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today I want to showcasing our new product. It's a helicopter pen. So in this counter display, it has 30 pieces in here, 6 different colors. Let me go ahead and show you the pens. Great gift items for the impulse buy for the gift shop, museums, a gift shop, and this is when it opened up. So this is when it was closed. So you open it up, you can use a pen like this, and then you can start writing them. But how does it turn it into the helicopter? So this is a helicopter like that. So in top of here, you can fold this thing down. So let me go ahead and show you. So it has a snap in here. Then you go ahead and put it up and then open it up gently, please. So like that. And then you can fold this thing out and then it's like a stand like that. Very interesting, fun helicopter pen. So for the museum gift shop that you already carry the fly pen, this is another option for you. It will be selling very fast. So 6 different colors, and it's available in the fairs.com in January 2025. And I just want to start showing these items in here right now. If you are interested to get the samples, please feel free to request a sample from me, and then I have the information at the very end of the video. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.